Trick 1. Copy the table. First select the table, then press and hold the control button. You will see plus sign on cursor. Then drag the table where you want to drag. In this way you can create multiple table. Trick 2. Merge table. Top of the left corner you will see the clipboard. Click on the clipboard and move it to in your worksheet. Now you have two table and you want to merge it. Firstly select the first data, then press copy, then select second data and press copy. You will see the both data on your clipboard. Now press on copy file on clipboard accordingly. Data, then press copy, then select second data and press copy. You will see the both data on your clipboard. Now press on copy file on clipboard accordingly. Trick 3. Create chart. Select the table and press Ctrl and Q. You will see chart table. Then click on chart option, then click column chart. And the chart has been created according to your data. You can create chart in different chart style. Select chart type and select pie chart in 3D. You can also change chart style and color and compare charts. Trick 4. Auto-sum. Don't sum manually. Instead select the data and press and hold Alt button and press is equal to. If you like the video, please share the video and subscribe the channel.